Hey everyone, today we're talking about something super important. Upgrading to Windows 11. Why should you care? Let's get straight into it. The biggest reason is this. Windows 10 support officially ends on October 14, 2025. At first, I thought, okay, just no more new features, no support, no big deal. But here's the real problem. Microsoft will stop providing security updates unless you pay for their extended security updates. And that's mostly for large companies. I show you the statement on the official site from Microsoft. When you scroll down to the FAQ, what happens to my PC when Windows 10 reaches the end of support date? And here, Microsoft will no longer provide the following: technical support, feature updates, and security updates or fixes. Let's be honest, running an unsupported system with no security updates is a major risk. And that, in my opinion, is the #1 reason to move on from Windows 10. Also, it's officially confirmed. Windows 11 is more secure than Windows 10. And the upgrade is completely free if you're already on Windows 10. Sure, some things are different. And yeah, it's not perfect. It's Windows, after all. But hey, it's evolving. And if the center taskbar freaks you out, don't panic. You can move it back to the left where it belongs, like a civilized human being. If you're still holding on to Windows 10, it might be time to look ahead. Because honestly, if you're planning to use a version without security updates, then better go back to Windows 7. Now, how to update to Windows 11? Let's walk through the steps. With Windows Update, go to Settings, Update and Security. You might already see a banner saying get ready for Windows 11 or something like check hardware requirements. Or you have a message like this: Windows 11 is ready and it's free, download and install. If you don't see anything about Windows 11, first click check for updates. Make sure your current system is fully up to date. Sometimes the Windows 11 option only appears after all updates are installed and the device is restarted. If you still don't see the Windows 11 upgrade available, your system might not meet the hardware requirements. To check that, download the official PC Health Check tool from the link in the description. When you click the link in the description, it will download, open that file, PC Health Check will be installed and is starting. When it's not starting, search for PC Health Check. Run it and click here, check now. And you will see whether your device meets the Windows 11 requirements. In my case, for example, I don't have Secure Boot or a TPM 2.0 chip. Those are required. Other requirements are 2 or more CPU cores, a system drive larger than 64 GB, at least 4 GB of memory, and a supported CPU model. Now, there is a way to bypass those requirements, and I made a separate video explaining that. You can check it out by clicking the link on the top right corner or in the description. Just a heads up, bypassing the requirements means your system won't be officially supported, and you might face security and compatibility issues. If your computer passes the check, head over to Microsoft's official site, link is in the description, and click Download Now to start a download. Open the downloaded file, click Yes. Just follow the steps in the wizard and your system will begin updating to Windows 11. In my case, nothing happens, because my system isn't supported. I hope this video helped you understand why upgrading to Windows 11 matters and how to do it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more content like this and drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you sticking with Windows 10, switching to 11, or trying something else entirely? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.